Hi everyone, good morning. Today is the 23rd of July and now the time is 11:39 and also today is the budget day and the market is so much volatile and I have also taken the few of the trades but I have carry forwarded yesterday only but there is no much time decay in that particular trades and also there is no I think morning the IV was uh, it is like it went around like 6 or 7 percentage down, but again it went higher in the like 1 percentage up. But now currently it is a 2.75 percentage down. Let's discuss what is my plan and what will be the happen like what is the goal like that I'm looking for, and each and everything we'll discuss it. And now currently, if you can see here, this was my positions. These are the my positions. Like I sold at the money option like 23,600 and 23,600. Now currently the FinNifty is trading around 23,500. And also I sold 23,300 put and 23,000 24,000 call option. Means it almost we have a range of now currently on the lower side I am having a range of 1.5 percentage break even, and the upper side I am having 2.5 percentage on the upper side. What my plan is simple, like basically if I consider this also, the just now it has given one spike. If you can see this one around like 11:15 candle, this is the 11:17 candle. What happened is like if I see the one more chart is here like 11:15, the price for this one, it went significantly high, and also I was around 33,000 loss in that particular minute. Means it went like, yep, it almost went 540 and it came back again. That was the trade. It like I was in loss of 33, but in again 1 minute it is came back and it was like trading around in my range only. Now overall I'm sitting with a profit of 3,400. My plan is if I consider this one chart, if I go to the chart, yep, I am having this is the range. Actually, my break even is on the lower side 23,090 and upper side is 24,090. Because on lower side I'm having very less, like actually I'm having like around 1.9 percentage. But just now it hit the one low 23,300. I also sold 23,300 put option here. Until this breaks below this point, I can able to handle my M2M loss, because once it is breaks no, it will be very bad, like because this is a very good support in the like in longer run. Because if I can open the 1 hour chart, this has very good support everywhere. Like if you can see this one, if this breaks this level 23,000, what is this level 23,400, if it breaks it is very difficult to handle the positions. Then I have to plan something for that. Like if this is closed below, then I have to check and I have to close my trade, or else I have to. There are the possible ways. If this close below this level in the significantly below 23,300, I'm going to close for the day and I'm closing the day. Means if the 15 minutes trade candle, if it close below this level, I'm going to close for the day. And the next thing is, if it is closing after 1:30, then I will hold this trade, because today is a expiry. Anyhow, I'll be having some premium to collect here. Like this will got decayed, like at least half of the points will get decayed, and my break even also 23,090, because anyhow it will not reach. Like suppose we'll be having another 1%, another half a percentage of movement, so that I can able to hold it even if it is moves or upward or downward. I can able to handle that in that scenarios. Now currently the Nifty FinNifty is trading around 23,477. If it goes in upper level and if it came back like that would be great. If it is moving in one word direction, it is very difficult, because every time this spike is there, no, whoever is put the trade in this particular trade, they are like, if it is a seller they are going to die, and if it is a buyer they are going to make lots of money. That is a one thing. And let's think like this is the possible way. And also in higher side, if I consider why I am not going to consider today, because the OI is not at all like it is not working as relevant. Like if you see the call option is 1,39,000 after. the budget is over, like OI will get adjust and many people will get add on their position based on the one move, like whichever side it is market is moving, and the like OI can change. But if you can see last 30 minutes, there are many people are exited in this level, like the call option and put option, they exited because of that spike. It may trigger the stop loss of many people. So since I didn't keep a stop loss, what I did is I was keeping my mind like until this gonna break, like until this candle is gonna broke, and if it closes below, then only I will close my trade, irrespective of loss. But that was the plan, because if I keep a stop loss, it will hit on either side. It is very difficult to manage this particular day. Means a budget day, the volatility is also more, and that is a one part. Like second thing is I'm not going to keep a stop loss. I will keep a stop loss once this particular chart is closed below. Means this candle is closed 23,300 below. And the next thing is I'm not going to scare until this VIX is forming in the lower low formation, because if VIX is also spiking up and the market is also going down, then it is very, very bad for me as an option seller. Because until now, since morning, it was in this range, and also it is just now it is broken. If it is creating lower low formation, it is very good, and the market is also, if it moves in the like in the slow motion range, it is very good for me. But if it is spiking up and also VIX is spiking up, I'm going to close the trade. That is the second case. And third case, if it is going in the upward direction, like it would be good actually if it goes in the upward direction till this point, if it is come back, that is good point. If any of either direction, if it is moving in one direction, it is bad for me in the significantly. And IV spike also, it is bad for me. These are the two things that I need to consider. I have to concentrate very focusedly on these 2 points, and I have to trade for the day. Like my target is like irrespective of market condition and irrespective of the current state, like if the market in between this range, I'm going to hold my trade, because anyhow my range was like if I consider, like let me refresh this page. Okay, till this point anyhow, if I close anywhere between the 23,270 or 23,000 240 or 23,100 also, if I close, I will make whatever some amount of money like 5,000 or 6,000. If it closes above 23,300, I'll make some good money. 600 is the maximum profit that I'm going to make, like 23,600. If it close above, I will make a very good amount of money. Only thing that I am consider, only thing I will look at here, like until this range 23,300, 23,400 is a 24,000 is a very good until that range I can hold it, because even if it is 12 o'clock or some, I have a expiry. That is a one thing that I have a in my hand, value time is there. That is a one thing, that is only one advantage that I have now currently. And using that one, I can hold this particular trade. Like I will update in the like around 1:30, because the 1:30 is the very good time. Like even if it is a decade around 30,000 or 35,000, I'm going to close my trade. 35 to like 30 to 35,000 is a target. If and also like if I have any kind of move like until this, like if I'm having till this point only, and if I'm making a 25 30 35 to 40,000, then I'll close this trade. And if it is moving upward on one direction or in any either of direction, I'm going to close for the day. And because we have many days like in trading, like because the budget day is only, it gives the so much of spike for option buyer, it is good, but still the instead of IV also going down, it will impact to option buyers also. For selling, like as of now, it is going good only for me in current scenario for the current day, and I'm sitting with the 6,700 profit. I will hold it this trade, and I will update by 1:30, and I will update by 1:30. Thank you all. Hi everyone. Uh, Now the time is 2:15, and currently I was in the same trade and also FinNifty trade, and like basically morning which I updated the same way. Like suppose if I can open the FinNifty chart, this has moved away from my like it has crossed my break even. That's why I took a one more trade. Let me explain this one first. I think somewhere here it crossed my limit, like it was crossed my break even. So that is why I took that 23,200 call option put option is the kind of calendar spread I took. On the both side I sold. Like basically I sold at the money call option put option in the current price, current expiry, and the next expiry I bought it. But overall profit there it was I am having in the loss only, because if you consider, and to reduce my like to break even, like why I took this trade is basically it increased my 100 point break even. So that's why I took this trade, and to manage the particular trade, like morning, like I think in this particular range, I was about to loss of like I was having a loss of around 10,000, around like 12:45. I was having like almost 28,000 profit, but a later point market fell down and I was in the 15,000 loss. But what I did is means in this particular range, I sold 22,200 call and put to increase my uh, break even. So later point what happened is market is going significantly higher level. Now my range is I am not going to worry like even if it goes in the higher level, because I am having a very good range here, because my maximum profit is going to happen on like 34,000, like 33 to 34,000. It is very good amount of money. If you can see this chart, give me a minute. Yep, this was the range. Even if it closes about 22,200, 220, and this was my range. Anything somewhere if it closes here, like I'm going to make like around 33 to 32,000. Like if I can open this to 5 o'clock or so after market hours. I'm going to make 30 about 30,000. That is a significant amount, and that is I'm very happy with that kind of amount now currently in this particular scenarios. Even it was in the 15,000 loss, I bring it in this level because this trade also it contributed little bit of my emotions, and that was the very good thing that has happened to me. And also, if this trade was not there, if I am not taking that trade, I would have been very good profit now currently, like around 35K now only. But now currently we are having 29,000, but that's fine. I controlled my emotion after taking that positions, and it has reduced my like it has also increased my break even. That is a good thing. And now current scenario, I'm not going to do anything, any adjustments. I'll hold it this till 3:30 and I'll exit all of the positions. Uh, that is all about. Like I will update at 3:30 what is the my overall profit and all. Like thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope everyone had a very good budget day trading, and also everyone made a very good profit option buyers. And because this move was very after in the Nirmala Sitharaman started announcing about the taxes, this particular price I think around 12 to 15 market is started falling. That it fell almost like 395 point. It is a 1.5 point. 1.5 percentage. That is huge actually in the FinNifty. And in the current scenario, this was my plan. And I hope you had very good trading day and you had a very good profit. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will update at 3:30 in the final section of the video. Thank you. Hi everyone. Now the time is 3:32. The market has been just now closed, and I closed my all of my positions in FinNifty, and I made over like 31,000, like 39,000, like 31,200 around in that particular range, in that particular trade. This is a trade that I have carry forwarded for Bank Nifty, and tomorrow since the Bank Nifty was expiry, and I took this trade. Basically, what I did is I sold at the money call option in the current expiry, and also I bought in the next expiry. What I'm going to do is like basically until that particular range was crossed, and I'm not going to do any kind of adjustments for tomorrow. And let's see, like this was like 30,900, 31,200 was the profit in this particular trade, or like 30,900 was the particular profit in this one, the remaining profit from the bank nifty. But that is the still unrealized capital, unrealized profit. This is the realized profit is 30,900. Today I am closing for the day and 30,900. It was very good day, and also it is having so much of ups and down in the market. I was and certain time I was in the pro loss of almost 39,000, but I adjusted some of the positions, and it got I converted into profit. Like my overall profit is like 30,900. I hope you like also had a very good trading day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I wish you all the best. Everyone should have a very good profitable day for going forward, and all the best for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. And also, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you all.